Well, I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I've scouted out some spots that I really would like to go shoot. So we're going to go out in the woods out back here and contemplate shooting some interesting spring leaves. So we'll see what happens. I'm not really sure, but got some interesting things in my mind, and I was able to scout out some interesting compositions. So we're going to try a couple of those today and see what they come out like. The birds are singing nicely. So here's one of my compositions here that I'm looking at. This long, large branch that's fallen leads up this large boulder here. Well, we had a slight change of plans, the unfortunate circumstance of it getting cloudy. So now we're probably looking for a black and white here out in the woods. This morning's shot went okay, but the one that I really wanted, it didn't work out so well. So here we go, off into the woods. Well, good afternoon, good morning, whatever it is for you folks. Today we started out with a nice sunny day, and this shot that I got this morning is right here. But what I decided to do is come back this afternoon, and of course it got cloudy in the meantime. Where I am is really out in back of my house. We have watershed here, so this land can't be built on. So what I'm going to do, this shot that I've got lined up for this afternoon is on my phone. I went and did some scouting yesterday, and it's really kind of cool. It's a very gnarly looking tree. So we're going to go over and try and shoot it. Probably I'll turn it to black and white because the green is not as vibrant, and the yellows aren't as vibrant, or I should say the browns aren't as vibrant. But it's a very nice composition. The trunk of the tree is really kind of interesting. The shot I did this morning got a nice leading line into it. So anyway, I'm going to show you both of those that I did with scouting. And I did it in the Lightroom app on my phone, which is great because I can then play around with it a little bit and make them look the way I wanted to. So let's head over to this gnarly tree. It's kind of cool. See what I mean? It's kind of cool, isn't it? It's a really interesting tree. Well, let's see what we can do with it, huh? I'm going to be going for a vertical here. So I set up the vertical composition. We're going to do a stack of about, I'm thinking probably 3 or 4 shots. We're going to all the way up the tree and then into the background. So I'll level it up. Try another 4-shot stack. Focus down here. Come on. All right, there you are. In the middle. Oops. So we'll see how that one works out. This is a great looking tree. Let's hope it doesn't fall down while I'm at it. That one's not too bad. Something a little different. So now I got down real low. We're going in like this again. We'll see how this works. Some more focus stacking. Okay, so what I've done here is I've focus stacked, and I'm using the touchscreen AF. So what I do is I touch on an area, take a picture. Touch on an area, take a picture. Touch on an area, take a picture. There you go. That's how I'm using the AF touchscreen. And it actually works pretty well, I think. So that's it for today. I had some good shots, one in the morning and then one in the like 3 in the afternoon over here of this tree trunk, which is kind of cool. Got some great shots here, I think, and it's out back. It's out in the woods out back of the house, you know, in the watershed area. And there's a lot of interesting places around here. The problem is we got a pack of coyotes that live just down the hill here. So I'm always a little bit wary of that. I'm always kind of looking around. I'm just glad that the wind's going that way so they know I'm up here. So anyway, that was great today. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and a like and a comment. That would be awesome. And please check out capeannphototours.com because hopefully the end of June, probably end of July, we'll be taking on people. Take them for tours around Cape Ann. That would be great. And we also have some workshops coming up. We have a photo tour / workshop going up the coast of Maine, mid-coast Maine. That's going to be going on in September. And then we got a workshop down here in Rockport the week after, and that's going to be good. It's at the Rockport Inn and Suites. It's a great place, so hopefully we can get some people to come on and go on our workshops with us. So that's it for this week, and we'll catch you next time.